Are you ready to evaluate your options trading game? Whether you are just starting or a seasoned trader, InstaOptions is your ultimate champion. Visualizing open interest is the key to predict market direction and will help all the option buyer. With InstaOptions trending OI, you can track the market sentiment instantly and plan your moves with confidence. Not sure which strategy to choose? InstaOptions Smart Strategy Finder matches strategies to market trends effortlessly. Whether the market is positive, negative, neutral, we have got the perfect strategy for you. Learn from the past and plan for the future. InstaOptions provide historical data to fine-tune your strategies and reduces risk. Need a quick way to understand the profitability of your positions? The combined premium chart shows you a complete view of your risk and reward profiles in seconds, which will mainly help all the option sellers. Gain an edge with InstaOptions advanced analytical tools. Get insights from OA statistics, trending OA, PCR ratio, and options chart to stay ahead of the market. No more delays, no more missed opportunities. With InstaOptions, you can execute your trades instantly wherever you are on the platform. New to options or in a rush? InstaOptions ready-made strategies let you pick and execute the best strategies without any guesswork. We have designed InstaOptions with traders like you in mind. Our user interface makes trading stress-free whether you are an expert or a beginner. Tired of placing orders one by one? InstaOptions basket order features allow you to bundle multiple trades into one seamless execution, saving time and efforts while maximizing efficiency. Want to know what's driving the market? InstaOptions Index Contributor feature gives you a detailed breakdown of which stocks are pushing your index up or down. Know where the movement comes from and adjust your trades accordingly. Every trader has different approach. That's why InstaOptions allow you to switch between buyer and seller perspective in just a click. Whether you are hunting for premiums or hedging risk, we have got you covered. Flexibility is key in option trading. With InstaOptions, you can customize your price type, margin benefit, product code, product type, and even lot size based on your capital, risk appetite, or strategy. More control, more success. InstaOptions, your ultimate option trading companion. Start trading with InstaOptions today.